and I'm going to give you a showcase of what has this train has gone, well, what carriages it's been pulling and the diesel on the back. First we have the West Country class for the British Railways, absolutely beautiful steam train. And then you have the well, that's the carriage number 35461, and then it looks like we have a old intercity carriage for the 95513 carriage, for where you have a lot of good things on there. And then we have the Royal Pullman coach to be named car NO5912. That's absolutely beautiful. And then we have up here is, well, it's a carriage and it's beautiful. It's blue and it has been on this trip from, well, London Victoria to London Victoria for the loop. And then we have, I think the, oh, what does that say? Chatfo Steam M1203 carriage. So that'll be the class South Hose Train Steam buffet car. And then here we have probably my favourite carriage, the M5366. I just love the sound of them. As you would know from my recording, the Armistice Day steam train had that coach on it and it sounded beautiful. Back to this coach, the 13227. I have seen a diesel haul in this one and it was going absolutely really quick. And here we have, that's actually diesel. You can see the diesel down there. We've got the steam train going out. Here it goes. All the great carriages. Steam Express. I hope you have liked this day. See you guys on the next one.